Very frozen. Let's thaw this one. Invert 1 pound. Check. Oops. Soft. They're soft. Okay. But no. Okay, we'll do it again. Let's do 2 minutes. There you go. Let's check. Oops. They're already thawed. Yeah, very soft. 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 Yep. So I think we're good. Yeah. Let's finish. 1 minute. 2, 1, 0. Alrighty, let's check our chicken. Yep. Excellent. Yep. The sides didn't turn white, so perfect. So we're ta-da! I'm gonna make porridge out of this one, so let's cut this. Okay. Yep, there you go. It's good. Still perfect. Yeah. Nice and thawed. Yep, perfect. Not over thawed. If it's over thawed, the edges will turn white like they're being cooked, but it's still pinkish. And look at that. No ice anymore, but a little warm. So we can unbind them already. It's being thawed. There you go. Excellent.